The BEAS program has had a real impact on the way that we look at our energy consumption within our business. So on this site, we manufacture Dreadnought roof tiles and Ketley bricks. We've been operational here since 1805 when the business was founded. We're still a family business, and we are fundamentally an energy intensive business that uses a lot of gas and electricity to manufacture our products. And we produce tiles and bricks whose signature is that they last for a very long time. And our challenge as a business is to set out a roadmap to decarbonise all aspects of our production process on the journey to net carbon zero 2050, which is only 25 years away.
With Dreadnought Tiles, we have carried out the free assessment. We have worked with their management team to develop an understanding of their consumption, both energy and productivity-wise, and help them with applications towards funding for improvements.
They helped us focus on understanding where our energy is consumed. So we put a micrometering scheme together that has looked at every single one of our key motors and also looked at the gas consumption in all our key processes. Alongside that, we've had support to help improve the thermal efficiency of one of our kilns, which is one of the key production processes in producing the bricks and roof tiles that we manufacture here on this site. We have 25,000 bricks in a kiln, firing up to 1130 degrees, and the BEAS program supported us in improving the thermal efficiency of this kiln so that the heat that we put into the kiln goes into the product rather than into the structure.
It's a very valuable program for anybody concerned, and the assessment is free. It's totally non-invasive in terms of people coming onto your premises or your processes, and indeed it's not just linked to manufacturers, it's any SME within the region.